If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2017 Jeep Patriot High Altitude in granite crystal metallic. With halogen headlamps, deep tint sunscreen glass, power heated mirrors with manual foldaway, 17-inch aluminum wheels, bright exhaust tip, power windows with driver's one-touch down feature, heated front seats, Sentry key theft deterrent system, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, 115-volt auxiliary power outlet, rear 60/40 split fold and recline seat, flat load floor storage, luxury front and rear floor mats, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5404.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.